Making a loud noise. Hear it one more time. This is because the evaporator developed ice and the fan's blades are hitting it. We're going to remove this to get to the frozen ice. But first, we need to remove the shells. To remove 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Not yet in it, but we see some clues. There's some ice there. One more screw at the top. Remove it starting from the bottom. You can use a hairdryer to melt some of the ice, welding the cover down. Don't pull it too hard, as you're gonna break some wires inside. The fan blades and the ice buildup, this is the problem. We're already here. You can also work on removing other ice. The 2 connectors so you can get the cover out of the way. If you're not comfortable with chipping at the ice with a knife, then you can use a hairdryer to melt it. But that will take a long time. This or a dryer.
Hot water. Let's clear the passage.
If you can't reuse this aluminum, or you can use aluminum tape from a craft store. Not bad, it looks pretty nice. Now we need to replace the broken foil here with metallic tape from the craft store. This will ensure that the water from the cover will go directly to the downspout. And just reverse the process.
Super quiet. That's the way how it should run and sound.